can raise your voice. Sing, sing, sing with me. Down and down into the deep. Who knows what we'll find beneath? Diamonds, rubies, gold and more, hidden in the mountain's floor.
Hi everyone, Mav again, and welcome to another day of coin and relic hunting. I find myself back at this old oval slash park. So we've had a big downpour the last couple of days, so I'm going to come and try my luck again, go over some of the area I've been already, and see how we go. I've done a bit more research, and I can't remember if I said it in the last video or not, but just over here behind me, there's some big memorial gates there for the Anzacs, and there used to be a great big old rotunda right next to it, and it used to house cricket clubs and things like that over the years. So I'm going to try just around that area and see how I go. Alrighty, let's get into it. Okay, so this was a strong signal of 39, so I'm hoping it's something good. I'm just near this tree where these gates are. Like I said, where the rotunda was, which would have been just in this area here. So let's flip the lid. Put that over there. Oops, right on the glove. That's smart. Okay, let's have a look and see. That was a strange looking rock. Just a rock. Okay, so I've got something here, out there. Okay, just in there. I'll get the digging tool out. Let's get the bare bones out. What's that? Hope that's not wire. Oh, just a root. Oh, come on. Really? That's a big old nail or screw. Damn it. Okay, so we've got a signal of 27. We're just near the tree and the gates where I said the rotunda was. I'd like it to be a little higher because I've only been getting brown buggers, but anyway, we'll just dig them all. You never know. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh. Ah, I can see a bit of silver. Whoop. Ah, lovely. Okay, we have a little threepence. 19 upside down. Oh, come on. 1942. 1940. Yep, 1942. There you go. That's a nice little find. I'm happy with that. I'll take it. Okay, so still in the same general area. This one's a bit of a mixed signal. 26 to 29, 25, 24, it's all over the place. But I'm pretty desperate, so I'm going to give it a dig because I haven't had that many targets. So stand by. Okay, so let's just flip the plug on this one. Put that over there. Get the pinpointer. This time I'll try the plug first. Nope. Okay, so I'm hitting something there. Alright, let's just get it. The digging tool out. Come on, bare bones. Okay. pretty close. Let's just give it another little bit of a shove. Okay, we've got it out here somewhere. Oh, please don't tell me it's a little brown bugger. Oh, no. Okay, I'm going to swap hands for that one. It's a sixpence. $19.43. Oh no, 19.45. So that's alright, that'll clean up nice and well, that one. So 19.45 sixpence. Let's just turn him over and have a look. Yeah, nice and clean. Okay. Happy with that one too. Nice little sixpence. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so we've got a signal of 29. It was down fairly deep, so we've taken the plug, a little bit of dirt, and now we're just going to dig a bit deeper because I was getting a touch of a signal just in here. Come on. So it's up under there. Did see a bit of discoloration, so I'm hoping it's not a screw. What is that? Oh, looks like the end of a bit of Rio or something. Yeah, it's a giant nail or Rio or something. Damn it. Okay, we'll leave that one. Okay, so I only had time to quickly run over some ground that we've been over before the dark catches us. So we're going to finish up there. Let's just have a look at what we got. Okay, so here we are at the wrap up after lots of phone camera issues. So I've lost a bit of footage, so unfortunately the video is going to be a lot shorter than what it was intended to be. And I did actually find 2 sixpences and 2 threepences, but somewhere along the line when I was fiddling around with the phone I lost a sixpence and a threepence. So here we are, just typical junk items that I dug up. They all had good targets, and reached a pocket of a lot of broken pottery and glass as well. So perhaps there was a bit of an old dumping ground underneath there at one point, so I take note of that. And we got a nice penny there. It's a Roo penny. I was able to clean it up. It's 1942, and a 1945 sixpence and a 1942 threepence. And I can't remember what the other two were, so I think that's just a lost cause at the moment. And a $2 coin and a 2-cent piece. Obviously I might have to go back and run over the area I was to see if I can pick up my lost coins. Anyway, it's just interesting that the area I've been over a number of times, and every time I go back I still manage to find something, particularly after rain. So perhaps it's the water in the soil is increasing the conductivity and allowing the detector to work a bit better. Who knows? But it's always a good idea to just run over your spots in different conditions. Alrighty, thanks for watching.
Digging a hole.
Okay, so we've got a nice little haul here. So we've got I've dropped a threepence somewhere. I'll have to have a look on the ground now.